Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I won't be talking about gardening or recipes. Instead, I want to discuss the fermented foods I eat every day. I have been consistently consuming fermented foods for quite a long time now, and I have noticeably felt changes in my body. Fermented foods are actually alive. They are not only easier for the body to absorb, but also significantly increase the beneficial bacteria in the body, helping it reach a healthy state. In fact, these different fermented foods correspond to different probiotics. Compared to the various probiotic supplements I consume daily, I actually prefer eating a variety of fermented foods. More importantly, these fermented foods are what we eat every day. They are all easy to make at home. Next, I will go through them one by one. First is yogurt. I won't elaborate on the benefits of yogurt, but I will mainly discuss the probiotics it contains, which are primarily lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. The main role of these two bacteria is to maintain our gut health to help us digest food. Dairy products are actually not very easy for people to digest, but after fermentation, they become much easier to absorb. My child is currently in a golden age for growth, and he prefers to eat fermented yogurt. In addition to yogurt, you can also try some spreadable cheese. In fact, spreadable cheese is yogurt that has had the whey removed. It can be spread on bread or mixed into salads. I make spreadable cheese at home and buy it from the supermarket, and I don't think there's much difference. It might just lack that slight heaviness of cream. If you prefer a heavier texture, you can achieve that when making yogurt. By replacing 1/4 of the milk with cream, you can achieve the texture of store-bought spreadable cheese. Having discussed two types of fermented dairy product, the next topic I want to address is fermented foods made from legumes. Actually, during the week, I almost eat tempeh and natto every day in rotation. This is natto. Although it is a fermented soybean product, the probiotics contained in these two fermented foods are different. Natto is fermented by lactobacillus, which is Bacillus subtilis, and during the fermentation process, it produces nattokinase. You must have heard of nattokinase supplements, which are known for their ability to dissolve blood clots and promote blood circulation. Long-term consumption can lead to longevity. Everyone knows that Japanese people live a long time, and many say it's because they often eat natto. Tempeh, on the other hand, is different from natto. It is fermented by mold. We can see that during the fermentation of tempeh, there are white fuzzy strands, and this mold is actually heat resistant. Therefore, although tempeh is a type of fermented food, it can be processed through frying and other cooking methods. Additionally, the rich dietary fiber found in tempeh is very beneficial for the digestive system. The high-quality protein provided is also easily absorbed by the human body. Therefore, it is very popular among the vegetarian population. Alright, having talked about dairy products and fermented beans, the next thing I want to mention is the fermented drink I consume daily, which is kombucha. Recently, it has gained a lot of popularity internationally. However, kombucha actually originates from China. It is the kind of black tea fungus that our mothers and grandmothers used to make. During the fermentation process, it produces a unique organic acid and forms a layer of microbial film on top. These organic acids not only help improve our gut microbiota and promote digestion and metabolism, but more importantly, they can regulate our body's pH levels to combat inflammation. Therefore, as part of daily maintenance, I recommend drinking a small cup of it every day. Personally, I have it right after breakfast or around 3 in the afternoon. I just pour a cup and drink it directly, which is very convenient. Moreover, I have maintained this habit for a while now, and I can clearly see the benefit. The body actually undergoes changes. You will find that your body becomes much more relaxed and your biological clock becomes very regular. Of course, in addition to consuming these fermented foods, I also drink celery juice every day and eat relatively light meals. So I believe this contributes to a healthy state of the body. It's about developing a daily habit, not just drinking a cup of kombucha or a cup of celery juice to achieve a healing effect. So I still recommend that everyone cultivate good lifestyle habits. In this video, I introduced so many fermented foods, and in the next video, I want to show you how I make these fermented foods at home. Each one is much simpler to make than you might think. Since I tend to be quite lazy in my daily life, the methods I've summarized are actually some lazy approaches suitable for lazy people. So, friends who are interested can subscribe to my channel to avoid missing out on future exciting videos. I am Tao Xiaoxian, sharing a healthy lifestyle, and that's it for this video. See you next time. Bye.